How to fix PS5 Error WS-116439-4. In order to fix PS5 Error WS-116439-4, check on PSN server status for potential failure and maintenance information. If it is not impacted by server failure or maintenance, try the following in order. 1. Reset the internet connection settings on PlayStation Registered 5 and try an internet connection test. 2. Turn off your router and modem, and wait at least 5 minutes before turning it back on, like the IMG below. 3. Try again later as the PSN may be temporarily congested.